The option period. It's the trickiest time once under contract, but here are the details you should know. The option period is what I like to call the insurance policy that you pay for when you go under contract to be able to complete inspections, negotiate inspections, and or back out for whatever reason in the state of Texas that you would like to back out of. The amount of time that you have for your option period is what's negotiated in the contract. So most of the time we see these between 5 to 10 days, but sometimes we see them shorter, sometimes we see them longer. On average, pricing could be a few $100s or more. Again, that's what's negotiated in your contract, so check with your realtor. But what is tricky about the option period? The house that you fell in love with to put an offer in all of a sudden is tested. It is tested once you have those inspections done and you hear the news on the good, the bad, and the ugly on what may or may not lie behind the walls and such that could be a concern. If you are buying a resale house, it may be tempting to go through that report and ask for everything to be fixed or repaired. However, that's not typically how it works. We typically focus on two main areas, things that aren't working or are a safety hazard, okay? And we look at the 5 main systems of the house. That's the roof, the foundation, the electrical, the plumbing, and the HVAC. You may have enough information based off of the general inspection to go back to the seller to ask for any repairs or concessions. However, do plan in advance to have the experts come out, a certified plumber or a certified electrician, to look at those systems if needed. The main thing here is to keep your emotions in check. Talk to your realtor, talk with your inspector, and make sure that you have a plan established for either repairs or concessions, or if that's not workable, you may be backing out of contract. However, most of the time things can be worked through. If you have any questions on buying or selling, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm just a text away.